Alexa is in the news, and it's very interesting. Amazon Alexa may be better at selling you things, but Google is more likely to understand you. Honestly, I don't really know about that. What the heck? Oh, come on. Okay. Anyway, let's just say, you know how Google has a Google Home and Amazon has the Echo. Apparently when you say Alexa, apparently Alexa can't understand you. It's just like Siri. It's kind of like Siri, kinda. But Google Assistant, apparently to this source, can actually understand you better. When you say, okay, Google, ooh, I don't want that. Sorry. Oops. Okay, can I get back to my news? I should not say that because I have a Google phone, so I'm just saying. Anyway. So, yeah, that is what it is. Apparently, Alexa everywhere. Alexa has encountered 5 more homes and offices, and 2/3 of U.S. smart speaker enthusiasts will use Alexa, according to eMarketer. With Google Home coming in just about 30%, Amazon wants Alexa to be in as many devices as possible rather than just its own products. So, okay. So apparently, which do you prefer, basically? It's mainly a comparison. Which do you prefer? Do you prefer the Amazon Alexa or do you prefer the Google Home? Which one? Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. And make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. And make sure you follow me all over it of Anthony's Life. See ya, peace, bye, and subscribe. Okay guys, subscribe.